How to turn off reminders in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off reminders in WhatsApp. So, if you have been getting notification that you no longer need or want, this is a perfect solution for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Settings. And now once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Notification. Now here in the notification section, simply look for the Reminders option and simply toggle it off. And once you have done that, this will stop WhatsApp from sending you reminders for messages or missed calls. So that's it. That's how you can turn off reminders on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.